Hello and welcome to another video. We are in Woodgate. Now I know what you're thinking. The helmet cam's on, but I'm not in the helmet. What's going on? So, truth is, I've had a stunt rider this whole time. And I'm a fraud. Now, basically, Yacob fancied a go on 2 wheels, so I'm gonna drop in 4x4. He's gonna jump on the bike. Should be good.
So Sammy might say, I broke these lights, so I just want to get a quick inspection before. So we've got one broken indicator here, both the indicators at the back are broken, mirror is a bit loose, this one I think it's in the car. Yeah, so if he says anything, it's all him, not me, and we'll see how we go. Did we put tyres down last time?
I wonder if it's like gonna got stuck, yeah?
True.
What was it?
Probably 18.
Yes.
Good shit.
Right, that's a skill, mate. When you say, what's my skill?
Yeah.
I can. Really? man. What? It's had to be strategic, you know. Hit the lines. I would have been fine. Sammy just jumped out. I was like, let me help. What do you mean blind? Oh, that's so much better. Keep going. Yeah, no, but I checked, it's fine. Alright, better do what Sammy's asked. Oh, this one's fine. Oh, if you stay this side, it's fine. That's really soft. Yeah, just, I'll stand on it. The worst bit, you gotta walk back. Ugh. We need to fix that stand. Every time I tap it, it just cuts. I think you could pull a sensor.
Yeah, have you tried not tapping it?
I have, but what I have is massive feet.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
And I don't like riding pigeon-footed. I like to have close to the frame of the bike. You would know. Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're at Woodgate, going to the Cancuna Trek. Go on, Rach. Have a little play. Give me permission on snakes, my buddy. Rach, you gotta go. Oh my god. I can't wait to lie on the beach. This side, yeah? No, no. Oh my god.
Boom, and here we are after a fun little day of 4x4ing and riding through some creeks I didn't think we were going to get through. We are here. Look at that stuff postcards and dreams are made of. So I've set up the paddleboard, gonna go have a little paddle, see if we can find any dolphins, hopefully not any sharks, but we are in Australia so it happens. Let's have some fun. Awesome.
I need to cut that. What was that? What? Unlucky, mate. Talk through the game.
So Finska, bunch of numbers. If you hit just the one, you get the number value, and if you hit more than one, you get how many pins you knock down.
So for example, I'll hit the 12 like that.
So he's hit 2, so he gets 2 points.
Oh, 2. Good job, Kelly. What do you think the people want? 12. 12?
I want to see an 8.
Oh, God. Nah, what you're going to get, mate, is 12. Bang. You have a 9. 22 Woodgate fins for a championship. Sammy needs 3 to win. How do you feel?
Ready.
Ready.
That's all I can say.
Perfect. That is unfortunate. This is strike 3. As you know, this is the final shot you have. How do you feel going into this shot?
Ready, mate. That's what we do.
You were ready in the first one? What's changed?
Training.
Mm.
Bit calmness in the situation. My pet fish just passed away.
Fantastic. R.I.P.
Ode to Goldie, focus. I'm ready, I'm calm.
Fantastic.
This one's for Goldie. That's for Goldie. I love you. Let me sign them. Thanks. So here we are. Last day of our mega trip. Got Yacob doing some two-wheeling. Rachel doing some 4x4 in. Everyone's doing the parts. Awesome. Really, really amazing trip. And yeah, see if we can top it on the next one. It's been a pleasure. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Hope you stick around for the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, enjoy the ride.